Sketch Design. In this video, you will learn how to draw the sketch for designing a shaft. Create a new file and name it Shaft. Right-click, then Insert a sketch. Pick the XY datum to draw the sketch. Draw the sketch profile with the polyline command. Pick the points one by one, like this. Dimension cannot be considered temporary. Next, add dimension with the Quick Dimension tool. The first horizontal line is 62 millimeters. The third is 36 millimeters. The fourth is 57 millimeters. The fifth is 12 millimeters. The sixth is 21 millimeters. The whole length is 255 millimeters. Now, with the Point Coincident tool, fix the endpoint of the first vertical line to the original point. Add the horizontal constraint for the endpoints of two vertical lines. Next, mirror the polyline on the x-axis. Click Mirror, window Pick All Lines, pick the x-axis, turn off the dimension and constraints for the clean sketch. Convert the mirrored polyline into constructive lines. Then, we can add vertical dimensions. First one, 45 millimeters. Do them one by one. Now, all vertical dimensions are finished. Turn on the color, dimension, and constraints to check again. Sketch is well defined. Exit the sketch environment back to modeling. Revolve the sketch to get a shape.